Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam kemanusiaan, salam Bagana. Welcome back to Studio Bagana at Menara 165 with me, Ipung. Hello everyone, hope you are okay and fine. Even though there has been flooding and landslide in some of area in Jakarta, also outside of Jakarta, as the result of heavy raining nowadays. Before we continue the last 5 biggest natural disaster that occurred in Indonesia, allow me to share in glance about the first 5 that we already shared some time ago. First, Merapi volcano eruption in 1930 and 2010. Merapi volcano is located in Yogyakarta, Central Java. Second, earthquake, tsunami, and liquefaction in Palu and Donggala on September 28, 2018. Third, West Sumatra earthquake on September 30, 2009. It was a tragic disaster that occurred in West Sumatra. Fourth, the eruption of Mount Toba 74,000 years ago. As we know that Lake Toba is an icon of North Sumatra and is considered the largest lake in Indonesia. Fifth, Yogyakarta earthquake on May 27, 2006. Buildings and infrastructure were destroyed. Even the Prambanan temple was affected. Well, this time, let us continue the last 5 biggest natural disasters in Indonesia. 6. Flores tsunami on December 12, 1992. A 6.8 magnitude earthquake struck the Flores Sea. The epicenter was located under the sea, 35 kilometers west of Maumere City, precisely at 1:29 Central Indonesian Time. Not only that, a 30-meter high tsunami also hit for 15 minutes, demolishing houses that were already damaged by the earthquake. The areas affected by tsunami include the regencies of Sika, Ende, Ngada, and East Flores. The event killed more than 3,000 people, left 500 missing, injured 447, and forced 5,000 residents to evacuate. In addition, 18,000 houses, 130 schools, and 90 places of worship were destroyed. At that time, Indonesia did not have tsunami experts, so much of the research of the Flores tsunami was conducted by Javanese researchers. 7th, Aceh earthquake and tsunami on December 26, 2004 at exactly 7:58 and 53 seconds Western Indonesian time. An earthquake struck Banda Aceh, followed by a massive tsunami that devastated most of the area in Banda Aceh. Cited from the journal Tsunami Aceh 2004 as basis for urban spatial planning in Molabo, the tectonic earthquake was centered at 3.316 degree north, 95.854 degree east in the Indian Ocean with a magnitude of 9.1 moment magnitude. The earthquake is even referred to as the 5th largest it could ever recorded in history. A tsunami wave as high as 30 meters then emerged. The disaster affected not only Indonesia, but also 15 other countries, with casualties reported in Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh, Thailand, the Maldives, Malaysia, and Somalia. According to the World Bank data, there were 1,900 deaths in Indonesia, while the total number of victims reached 230,000 across the affected countries. 8. The eruption of Mount Krakatau in 1883. Mount Krakatau is located between the island of Java and Sumatra. Thanks to the eruption of an ancient Krakatau in 1883, the two regions that were previously connected are now separated. The 1883 eruption of Mount Krakatau is believed to be the largest explosive eruption ever recorded in Indonesian history. On August 26 and 27, 1831, Krakatau spewed 1,000,001 tons of rock, ash, magma, and volcanic material. The eruption even created a tsunami that devastated the coast of Lampung and Banten. The explosion was heard as far as Perth, Australia. Thousands of people died due to the heat blast, tsunamis that destroys the surrounding island, and global impact such as an increase in Earth's temperature, which disrupted the weather for years. The sky all over the world became dark, and there was an extraordinary sunset phenomenon. 9. Mount Tambora eruption in 1850. The eruption of Mount Tambora occurred in April 1815, also known as one of the largest volcanic eruptions with the global impact. The peak of the explosion eruption occurred on April 10, 1815. The Tambora eruption caused the Earth to experience a year without summer. In 1816, as global temperatures dropped by 0.4 degrees Celsius to 0.7 degrees Celsius, the Volcanic Explosive Index, or VEI, indicated that the Tambora explosion reached level 7, which is 10 times larger than Krakatau. The mountain's interior, consisting of volcanic material, ash, and molten rocks, was expelled, and the sound of the explosion was heard as far as Sumatra. The explosion is believed to have been equivalent to 800 megaton of TNT. Even Sir Thomas Raffles reportedly sent his troops to investigate the source of the sound. As a result of this event, approximately 80,000 people died. The last, 10th, Mount Klute eruption in 2014. Mount Klute is located in East Java. Erupted after its status was previously raised to alert. The eruption is considered to be the largest since the event in 1990. At 10 o'clock 50 minutes Western Indonesian times, Mount Klute spewed magma flows, causing gravel rain in several areas of East Java. Its roar was even heard as far as Purbalingga. The asphalt also covered most of Java Island and halted all community activities. The death toll from the eruption reached 4 people, according to reports from the NPB. However, since the 15th century, Mount Klute has claimed more than 15,000 lives, including the 1919 eruption that took 5,160 lives. The impact of the 2014 Mount Klute eruption drew global attention. Several international media outlets reporting the news include Associated Press America, Reuters United Kingdom, ABC News Australia, and Xinhua China. All are summarized from various sources. Those are the last 5 biggest natural disasters. Hope it will become our reminds. See you on next share. Stay safe, healthy, and happy. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam kemanusiaan, salam Bagana.